Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. This is my second pair of Cole Haan um, men's leather sneakers. Uh, I wanted to get a brown pair because brown and black goes with everything. But guys, like I said in a prior video about the Cole Haan shoes, these are great casual shoes, casual dress shoes. I like the logo here. Uh, I like everything about these shoes, to be honest with you. The soles, the Cole Hand logo on the back of them. Uh, I really, really like these shoes, guys. They're very comfortable. Uh, like I said before, in a prior video about Cole Hand sneakers, if my toes can't move around in there, they're not the shoe for me. But guys, these are the shoes for me. I mean, I probably will not switch to another dress sneaker. I love the Cole Hand shoes. They are the shoes for me. Here's how they look on my feet. Uh, I am quite happy with them. That's the review for today. Make it a great day.